In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change address on the Barclays app. Keeping your address up to date is important for accurate statements, smooth communication, and general account security. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make this change in just a minute or two. Start by opening the Barclays app on your phone and logging into your account as you normally would. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the update saves properly. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the profile section. Depending on your device and app version, this might appear as a small person icon or your initials. Tap that to open your account profile. On your account page, you'll see your personal details, including your current address. This is where you can quickly confirm what's on file before making any changes. To update it, simply tap on the address field. This opens the edit view where the app guides you through changing your details. You'll be asked to enter your new postcode first, type it carefully using the correct format, and the app will search for matching addresses. After a moment, you'll see a list of addresses associated with that postcode. Scroll through and find the exact one that matches your new place. Pay attention to flat or apartment numbers, building names, and any unique identifiers to ensure complete accuracy. When you spot the correct entry, select it. Next, confirm the changes to update your details. The app will typically show you a short summary of what you're changing so you can double check everything is correct before finalizing. Once you confirm, the new address will be saved to your account profile. To be sure everything went through, glance back at your profile page and verify that your updated address now appears. That visual confirmation is your signal that the change is complete. If you want extra peace of mind, you can return to the home screen and then back into your profile to see it reflected again. And that's it. You've successfully updated the address on your Barclays account using the app. Keeping this information current helps ensure your account records are accurate and any communications reach you at the right place. If you ever move again, just follow these same simple steps to make the update quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat the process whenever your details change.